Hey you guys, thanks for clicking on my video. If you are new here, I'm Ashley, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this hairstyle using Pattern Beauty hair products, mainly using the curl gel. So if that's something you are interested in, please stay tuned and watch the full video. And before we get started, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like the video, hit the notification bell, drop down in the comments, share the video, all those good things. Do it for me, okay? I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for that. And let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, y'all, so off camera, I shampooed and conditioned my hair with Patterns Beauty their hydration shampoo. I conditioned my hair with their medium conditioner. This is their sample size. It's available, I think. Go online or check one of their stores that sells Pattern Beauty. All this stuff was given to me throughout the year. So I just been collecting. Now Pattern Beauty, if you are watching this, please send me some more conditioner. I'm running out. You see the sample size? I'm definitely running out. Also, they have the shampoo in a sample size as well. But today's video is mostly about their curl gel. So I'm gonna be using this on my hair today in this video. So if that's something you're interested in, please stay tuned and watch the full video. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Hit the notification bell. Also like up the videos. Like up this video, go back and like up the other videos as well. Help us sister out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So please go subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Now we're gonna get started. We'll put some leave-in conditioner. This is their leave-in conditioner. We'll put that on my head first, and then I'm gonna start to style my hair with the curl gel. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day and I let my hair dry overnight and this is how it's looking. So now I'm about to unravel the twist and fluff it out and stuff and smooth these edges down. So here we go. Okay, y'all. So this is the final result. Tell me if you like it. Here's the back. Here's the front. Drop down in the comments and tell me if you like my hair or not. It doesn't matter because I like my hair. I think it's cute. I think it came out nice and cute. This is the Patterns Beauty Curl Gel. So what I can tell you about this curl gel, there's no crunch, no hardness, none of that. My curls are definitely soft and manageable. I definitely feel like it gives a medium hold. So not a light hold and also not a hard hold. I think it's in between. So I think this is a good product if you're looking for something to give your hair some hold, but without the crunch. When I say there is no crunch, there is no crunch. If y'all been following my channel, y'all know I'm a girl that likes a hard hold. So this may not be my top fave, but if I'm going for something for a hold but soft, I'm definitely gonna grab this. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed, come on now, help me out and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, hit the notification bell before you leave. Also share this video, drop down in the comments, let me know what your thoughts. And until next time, you guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.